Hello guys, this is Ashwin here. If you're eager to learn how to sculpt, then this news is for you. Soap Carving Beginners Workshop is being held at Bangalore, where you'll be learning the basics of sculpting and you'll implement those ideas on a soap and also learn the tips and tricks to work on different materials like pencil, chalk and also thermocol. For further details, check out the description below. See you there on March 30th. Hello guys, in today's video, in this video we'll see what is hiccup, why do we get hiccup and what happens during hiccup, what are the types of it and how do we stop it. Let's get in. Hiccup is a funny sound which arises from you when you eat too much or eat so quickly, or even when you consume alcohol or any carbonated drinks, or even when you feel excited or nervous. To understand what is a hiccup, you need to understand your own body first. Consider breathing. Which organ is important do you think? If you say lungs, yeah, maybe. But what makes the lungs functioning is the diaphragm. Diaphragm is nothing but a small muscle kind of layer which separates your abdominal region and your chest, which is present at the end of your rib cage. This muscle helps your lungs to function and hence you breathe. This is basically the concept of high pressure and low pressure which is created inside your rib cage or inside your body. Your windpipe is the only opening to the outer atmosphere which helps you balance the high pressure and low pressure created within yourself. So, to make it even more simple, look at here. If your diaphragm is pulled down, your lungs get expanded. There is a low pressure created in the surroundings, so your lungs get expanded and air is sucked in, that is inhale. And when your diaphragm is pushed inside, your lungs get contracted due to the high pressure created inside, so the air is pushed out, which is exhaling. Let me make it clear with this. So consider this as your rib cage and this as your windpipe, and these two balloons are your lungs. So now, as you see, the diaphragm is inside. When you pull it out, they get inflated, which is inhale. Pushing in, exhale. So this is the source, like your nostrils. You inhale and exhale. This is the exhale state. When you inhale, exhale. So this is a small sample of how your lungs, how you're breathing. So this is the diaphragm and this helps in your breathing process. And during hiccup, the reasons which I stated above, like eating too much or eating so quickly or drinking alcohol, things like that, irritate your diaphragm and cause sudden pull, which makes a sudden rush of air into your windpipe and crash your voice box. And air, when it strikes the voice box, your vocal cord closes, which gives you the hic sound. And there are three kinds of hiccup. One is the common hiccup which lasts for few minutes, another one which lasts for 48 hours, and the next thing which lasts for months. A fun fact, there is a record of longest attack of hiccup for Charles in US, who started hiccupping up by when he tried to lift a hog and continued to hiccup till 1990, around 68 years of his lifespan. During the first few decades, he had 40 hiccups per minute and later it reduced to 20 per minute. Just a fun fact. And coming to the ways to stop it, the first effective way is holding your breath. So when you hold your breath, you control your diaphragm, so you avoid the jerk. As we all know that the diaphragm is the cause of hiccup, we need to find ways to control it. And the second thing they say is give a shock. This is basically the first one. when you get a shock, you just hold your breath. Like that, holding your breath helps you to control your diaphragm. And the third most effective one, which is suggested by many doctors, are taking a sip at the opposite side of the cup which you usually drink. Like if you drink like this, take a sip from the opposite side, like over here. So which helps you to pressurize your diaphragm and take control over it. So these are the three simple and effective ways. So that's it, guys. Suggest a topic for next video in the comment section below, and see you soon.